Naghahanap ka ba ng affordable single attached dito sa Laguna? For only 7,500 monthly TP, pwede mo nang ma-avail ang ganitong ganda, very affordable and high quality na Amina single attached. This unit has lot area of 72 square meters and floor area of 45 square meters. And when it comes to its durability, alam mo ba na load-bearing blocks ang ginagamit nila na construction methodology sa bawat unit na ginagawa nila dito. And every block has 700 to 1,500 PSI. This project is located here in San Pablo, Laguna, very accessible sa town proper, hospitals, schools, supermarket, and terminal. And guys, 12,000 per month lang ang ating monthly amortization. Kung interested ka sa ganitong unit, message mo lang ang mga number na naka-flash sa screen or message me to my Facebook page, The Zowder Broker.